This is Tayra, and I'm really happy to be here today. I want to speak about something that I think that all the people that wants to have a company needs to know in order to get a good quality in regards of the service that we provide. And the topic of today, it is going to be the quality control techniques. What is the quality control techniques? On every company, we have different options or different techniques that are going to help us in order that we can control how the people in our company is working. Not only to know how they are working, but also to see what we can improve in regards of our service, our our treatment to the customers, to know the customer needs, to see problems that are inside of the company, and also how we can be the best company for our employees and also for the people that buy on our company. There are actually 9 type of control quality techniques, and I want to speak right now about them. And in my opinion, who is the best option that we have as the best quality control techniques that we can use if you want to open a company. So usually for the quality control techniques, we have 9 options. And why we have several? Because all of them actually are really good in order that we can have an improvement on our company and on our team. I will explain or give some examples of these 9 quality control techniques, and then in my opinion I will explain what is the best option to me. The first option that I want to talk about, it is going to be appraisal. What is the appraisal? With the appraisal, the manager in charge of the company for the employees will have some meetings with each employee, like for individual employees, when they are going to discuss about how is the quality of the service, how they are going, and doing and all of their shift. And usually this is just going to be done 1 time per year. So that is going to be the appraisal option. Now the second option that we have for quality control techniques, it is going to be the observation. This option requires that the person in charge, that is going to be the manager, will have or will spend time with some of the employees, and they are going to look about the performance that they have on their day by day on their job, especially when they are speaking or they are talking and doing process with customers. This is something that they are really looking, since obviously the customer is the one that is important for a company. So that is going to be the observation option. The third option, it is going to be something that is called focus group. What is a focus group? So something interesting about this option is that it's not going to be related to the managers or to the employees itself, but also it's connected. With the focus group, what is going to happen is that 1 day per year, they are going to invite some customers, like loyal customers of the company, and they are going to discuss about how was, the products that they sell at that year, if there is something that they need to improve, feature requests, how they think that the employees are doing their job, what they feel as customers that they are buying on the company. And this is something that the company needs to take in consideration, and then they see if they need to improve or what they need to do in order to not lose these customers. Now we have another option that is called benchmarking. This option actually is also really cool because the company it is going to compare and also measure the service of other organizations with us, with our company. And based on the, compared to these companies, we are going to see what we need to improve, what we are doing well, and in order, that we can apply all these options if something on our company is missing. Usually for the benchmarking, since it's another company that we are looking to see how they are going, needs to be a company or the company needs to select another company that are well known about their quality services, so we can know and we can improve to be on the same level and even to pass them on one moment. Now we have an option that is called suggestion box. This is actually really easy. At the end of the year or at the end of the month or at the end of a season, the company it is going to put a box or something where the employees can go ahead and can put their suggestions, concerns, future requests, and all the things that they want. This is something that the company it is going to take a look, and if all of these ideas is something that actually we think that is interesting and we want to apply or that we want to speak with all the company, so this is something that we are going to take in order to know also what our employees or what our company needs to still working and doing better. Now we have another option that actually I really like it, that is calling mystery shopping. The mystery shopping is the option that the organization or the company employed another person not related to the company and not related to other companies that are going to check on the store as an undercover person. Is going to show as a customer that is going to buy and is going to see the products. The employees will not know who this person is, and after this mystery shopper goes to the location and buy and see how they are working, they go to our organization and they report how was the experience, what they were able to see that is missing, that it could be a problem. This option it is really good because actually we can know by the eyes or by the comment of someone external of us that can see if there a problem, and obviously to get all the information and see if we can improve of them. Another one that we have is going to be the service charter. The service charter it is going to be like a documentation that the that the employees will have with all the quality criteria that the company has and that the employees need to follow to work on the organization. This is going to, follow and maintain all the criteria that the company believe, and this needs to be followed all the time. Another option that we have here, it is going to be the reward. Also, it is really easy. We are going to measure and we are going to congratulate an employee that keep a high quality service, that they are doing the job as is expected or even better than that. And as consideration and something that we really appreciate, we are going to give a reward. It could be money, it could be a gift. It is going to depend about what the company wants to provide. And the last option, it is going to be the performance standard. The performance standard, also as the service charter, it is going to be a document that the manager that you are going to also have by the organization, that it is going to speak about all the process, the criteria of the quality, what we expect for you as an employee of our company, the goals that we want that you can have. But difference about this option and the other one is that actually this can be changed, like month by month, year per year, in order about how you are going in your job. So this is actually something that is going to measure your level if we need it. So this is something that it can change. Now, since I already told you the 9 options that we have for quality control techniques, I will let you know in my personal opinion what is the best option to me. And the one that I select right now, it is going to be the mystery shopper. Why? Because it's not that we cannot follow the other options, but specifically this one, it is really good because it's always something that you will handle meetings with managers 1 time per year or maybe 1 time per month, following the rules. This is something that we already know and that obviously we need to follow. We know how we are working internally, but we don't know how it's going to show our work externally. So the good thing about this option is that, someone that is not on the company, that is not related at all with us, that is just be paid in order to see what is showing and if the company is doing good, that they can report and they can see as a customer what could be problems, or if something is going really good, and also all the employees can have a reward for that. I think that this is an option that all the companies need to apply, because we don't know if maybe some employees are messing the image of the company, and this is something that maybe we can stop on time, or that maybe we have an employee that we are not looking well and that maybe is doing their job fantastic, and that also we can apply a reward. So I think and I hope that these options can be used more in Guatemala. And yeah, in this case this is right now all the 9 options for quality control techniques, and also my opinion of the one that I can select as the best option for quality control techniques. I hope that you were enjoying this video, and take care. Bye bye.